Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on the Skoda Octavia 2.0 TSI vRS 230, which is a petrol manual. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in moon white metallic. To start off with then, you have your xenon headlamps, which are brilliant to help illuminate the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, really complementing against the moon white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot space, you can find a large amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black VRS leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. The rear seats also have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, really adding a feel of luxury to the vehicle. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, and as well as this, it is also a memory seat, so once you've found that comfortable position you are able to save it for next time. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the vehicle, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and located on your indicator stalk you can find your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 54,255 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included in this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Taking a look at your climate control, you can easily adjust the temperature to suit either you or your passenger, as you have a dual zone climate control, and easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction, and you also have front heated seats. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.